YouTube, what up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Solo Unique, and we here at the car wash getting our cars all ready to get washed up for my boy M Dollar's Bear Mountain Cruise. It's gonna be insane. We're gonna have all kind of foreigns, American cars, all type of, it's gonna be insane, y'all. For those that don't know me, I go by the name of Nico. Welcome to the channel. Like, comment, subscribe, guys. A lot of good content gonna come out here. We got my pops here. Solo, you hear me? Say what up. Say
What's
what
up?
up.
Recognize.
Mopar, BMW, y'all know the vibe. But we out here, y'all. Stay tuned. We're gonna get the cars washed up. You don't want to miss it. With Tony at the owner, Tony's Hand Wash. Say what up to the channel, Tony.
What up, guys?
Yo, you want to get your hand wash here in the Bronx? This is where to come, baby. You already know the vibes. So there we have it, guys. We had Tony's Hand Wash in the Bronx on Boston Road. Come here, check him out. Get your hand washed. You won't be disappointed. We here. We just got our cars washed. We're gonna meet y'all back at the garage. Guys, I got a little install, a little mod I'm gonna show for you guys. I'm gonna install on the M3. Stay tuned. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. We back at the garage. As you can see, my F80 M3 S55 engine. I got a special mod here from a company in Belgium. They make this aluminum air cooler for the charge cooler up top. As you can see, it's all aluminum. It gets corroded after a time, and I mean, usually you can upgrade these, but they do the same thing. They're just efficient for just air, keep your air intakes, ambient intake temperatures down or whatever. But this goes over it and gives it a nice style. As you can see, it's a company down in Belgium. I'll put the link in the description. This guy made it. They're real nice. So we're gonna install this today. It just gets installed with double-sided tape. So we'll see the process. All right, guys, so we got the cooler all cleaned up. This just goes on with double-sided tape. As you can see, the company provides it. Very simple. We're gonna get our portable heat gun. Heat up the glue a little bit. Get that nice and warm so it can stick. Even though the engine's gonna get a little warm, you know, you still want to heat it up a little bit. Simple install. Just take it, go underneath. Bam. That's it. And it's done. Look how that gives the engine some nice character.